iPhone SE goes on sale in India from the 20th of May. Apple launched the new 2020 iPhone SE last month, and if you've been eagerly waiting to get your hands on the most affordable new iPhone right now, your wait is almost over. Indian e-commerce website, Flipkart, has confirmed that the iPhone SE will be available to purchase in India from May 20th. The iPhone SE comes with a design that's almost exactly the same as the iPhone 8 except for the placement of the Apple logo on the back. The phone comes with a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, same as the iPhone 8, and there's a huge chin and forehead. Inside, the phone features the latest A13 Bionic chipset that you'd find in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. There's also a single rear camera with a 12MP sensor and f1.8 aperture. The phone comes with support for advanced camera features that you'd find in the latest iPhones, including Smart HDR, portrait mode, and depth control. There's also support for the same quick take feature that's available on the iPhone 11 series. The iPhone SE comes in three variants with 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB of storage. The phone is priced starting at Rs. 42,500 in India, but if you buy it from Flipkart, you can avail their offer giving you instant cashback of Rs. 3,600 by using an HDFC card. Effectively, that puts the price at Rs. 38,900, which is a really great price for the phone.